Hi, I'm Pete Hurley with MyStage. Portable stages are big and heavy. They usually require men with tools to carry these big stages. There's tons of AV guys at this show. I'm here at InfoComm 25, by the way, and there's tons of AV and lighting people at these shows, but not many stages. A lot of people don't want to deal with stages because they're so big and heavy. That's why I invented MyStage. Hence the name. It was designed for one person to set up with no tools required in under 1 minute. Most stages, as I said, are big and heavy. My stage I can pick up with one finger. It only weighs 45 pounds, so it's very lightweight. It is PE certified to hold 3,500 pounds. So it's extremely light, but it's extremely strong and stable. We have angled legs, as you can see, which reduce lateral movement, and a fifth leg in the center, which reduces deflection or bounce. Everything is self-contained. The legs are stored in their own docking port. The minimum height is 4 inches. Once you put the leg in place, you're at 17 inches, and they're adjustable all the way up to 28 inches. As I said, it's strong and stable. The angled legs reduce lateral movement, so there's no wiggle. The fifth leg in the center reduces deflection or bounce. So that's what makes it a great camera operator riser, because if the tripod and the operator are both on the stage at the same time, and the guy's moving around, the camera's going to be nice and steady. Emma here is very steady with her hands on this camera, so we have no wiggle, so it's no problem. We also have accessories, gear bags, railings, and talking about the camera riser, this is a wheel or a caster. You can put it on like a boot and wheel the camera operator and the tripod all around, go hop over cables and all that kind of stuff nice and smoothly. So that's it. My website is MyStage Corp, C-O-R-P, MyStageCorp.com. So please visit the website, and thank you for your time.